charging infrastructure, including project management as the customers see fit, and V2G solutions implementation as well. And we also provide training ahead of deliveries and custom training to the drivers and mechanics when we deliver the vehicles, and I think it's a key item when you are selling EVs. Offering new technologies to our customers is great, but we need to always keep in mind that it is, in my opinion, the OEM and the technology that needs to adapt to the operator's needs and not the other way around. Now let's move to continuous innovation. Continuous innovation is applying innovation in an organized manner in all phases of the company's development. You probably remember the saying in baseball, the name of the game is pitching. Well, with innovation, we could say that the name of the game is timing. And how many times have we seen a great idea never being commercialized because the timing was not right? In fact, a very good example of that, and all of you probably know that already, but you know, it's about the electric car that existed over 100 years ago, but the society was just not ready for it back then. But we felt the society has evolved, and that's why we decided in 2010 to electrify a school bus at the beginning. It's a little bit easier with school buses because the routes are predictable. It's most of the time, you know, almost always with the same driver, and the bus is coming back to the barn every night. We also decided from the beginning that all of our vehicles will be purpose-built to be electric, no retrofit. And all of our vehicles will also be 100% electric, no hybrids. We've invested a lot of efforts into the development of several components, which are critical to manufacture a top quality EV. Purpose-built chassis, proprietary battery packs, battery management system, the famous BMS, the BTMS, which is the thermal management of the battery, and much more. And it took us 5 years, and in 2016, we've put on the road the first 100% electric heavy-duty school bus. And then we spent the following 5 years developing the next strategic phase of our product line, the electric truck that you see right now. So always innovating more and more, therefore calling it continuous innovation, but also always taking the benefit of the previous technology breakthrough. And this is this thinking, in my opinion, which is a very focused one, not distracted by trying to develop several technologies at the same time that made it possible. And we were able to come to the market, you know, in a reasonable timing, like 5 years, with the first electric bus and now with electric trucks, I'm sorry. So being very focused. The question, you know, what are the latest developments in heavy-duty EVs? First of all, very reliable trucks and buses equipped with modular onboard energy, with the design adapted to electric. You can see that there's no space for a motor at the front. There's no transmission bump in the cabin as well. All embedded with state-of-the-art telematic systems for preventive maintenance. And now the big question is always about range. Can electric trucks do long haul? Well, it's always a question of balance between range and payload. If you put in, it seems obvious, but if you put in too many kilowatt hour, the total weight of your EV is too heavy, and your payload will not be enough to justify your operation. Therefore, at Lion, we have decided to go with an urban truck. Why? Because the current technology gives us the possibility to do 400 kilometers on a single charge and still leave enough payload for the fleet operator to run a business that will make money. And that range is increasing every year. Ted spoke about this just a little bit earlier because of the battery density going up. And in our case, we estimate it's going up about 50 kilometers a year if we translate that into range. As I mentioned, we currently offer a maximum range of 400 kilometers on the single charge, and we forecast we will offer a range of about 750 kilometers within the next 5 years. We also all started integrating electric specialized equipment on our trucks for various applications. In the coming months, we will deliver 100% electric refuse trucks, meaning a full electric body on an electric truck that can do its full day of operation on a single charge. And later in 2021, we will deliver 100% electric bucket trucks. All of these trucks only use one source of energy, the truck's battery packs, which not only powers the electric drivetrain, but also the equipment on the truck. The future of heavy-duty EVs has never been more promising than right now. Please, let's do it. Thank you.